Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me. I am getting ready for work and I have about 30 minutes to get ready for work and head out the door, but I wanted to bring you guys this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I have just some random questions on like a random get to know me generator. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I already have my brows done, things like that, but let me get one of the most basic questions out of the way. What is your name? So my name is Diamante Duane, and I'm not gonna say my last name, but Diamante is my first name and Duane is my middle name, and you can call me Diamante, don't call me Duane, but you know, or you can say both Diamante Duane, or just call me D, that's what my friends call me. Interesting fact though, in Spanish, apparently Diamante means diamonds, so I mean, you know, diamonds are a girl's best friend, so. I'm kind of using an oldie but a goodie primer. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Scan. I just saw this in my makeup drawer and I was basically like, okay, I haven't used this in a while. So let me go ahead and pull it back out and start using it again. So one of the first questions is, which do you like better, Coke or Pepsi? And to be quite honest guys, I don't really drink a lot of soda to begin with. So I'm gonna say neither. Soda is really bad for you, like really sugary. Another fun fact about me is I don't want to say that I'm necessarily vegan, but I'm on a very plant-based diet, so I don't eat any meat, dairy, or anything like that. So the next question is, and by the way, the foundation that I am putting on is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Amazing foundation for those of you who have oily skin like myself. But the question says, if you could change your name, what would you choose? So if I had to change my name would definitely be something very bougie like, and I don't know, sounds like you're from like royalty or something like that. If I ever have a kid, I definitely want a boy. I would name him Sebastian. I've been really, you know, obsessed with that name for a long time. So if I did have to change my name, it would be something like Sebastian, or, you know, something very regal, I guess you could say. Next question, do I have any piercings or tattoos? So I do not have any piercings and I do not have any tattoos whatsoever. I have gotten things pierced before. I've had my ears pierced and I had my nose pierced. My ear piercing was when I was like super young, and I don't even remember that, to be honest. But of course that hole closed up, and then right out of high school, when, like that first year of college, I had my nose pierced. Me and my friends did it while we were at their apartment. I know, stupid idea, you know, infections, things like that. But yeah, as soon as the same day that we did it is the same day that I took it out, because it was just super uncomfortable. You know, I was sneezing everywhere and I got sick, so I was like, nope, never doing that again. And now, as far as tattoos, I've always been interested in getting a tattoo, but I just wouldn't know what I would want as a tattoo, because I just don't want to put anything random on my body that's, you know, kind of permanent. So I mean, I just like, and I don't even know where I would want to have a tattoo. So I've just been kind of holding off on that until I figure out what exactly I would want and that I would want to stay on my body. So the next question is beauty related. Do you remember the first makeup item that you bought? So I believe, if I remember correctly, the first makeup item that I ever bought was two things. I believe it was either the Revlon Color Stay Foundation, or it was the, what was that brand called again? Color. It was kind of like a brand like BH Cosmetics, but it was different. I forgot what it's called, but it was like a big palette that had like every single color that you would ever want. It was either that or the Revlon Color Stay. I haven't even worn the Revlon Color Stay in so long. And if I remember correctly, that foundation is a great foundation from Revlon, like one of the only good, really, really good foundations from Revlon. What brand have you always wanted to try but haven't? Yeah, it's actually two brands that I want to try, but I haven't. Definitely Cover FX. I always see the brand in Sephora, and I always pass by, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this looks interesting. I want to, try this out and buy it. But then I'm just kind of like, no, I kind of changed my mind at the end, just because the price of Cover FX is a little bit up there. It's not like super like luxury, but it's not like the cheapest thing either. So I always want to try it, but I just never had the jump. I can't just jump into it and get it. The other makeup brand that I definitely want to try is actually pretty affordable. It's ColourPop. I haven't tried anything from ColourPop whatsoever, and with them launching their new foundation soon, I don't know exactly when it launches, but I'm definitely going to pick up that foundation and try it out, see how I feel about it. But definitely ColourPop is one of those brands that I need to try ColourPop out. I just haven't, gotten online to really look at the products and really be like, okay, I'm gonna order it. So I'm just gonna do some, a quick little easy eyeshadow look, because I'm going to work and I have to be very subtle as far as the makeup goes at work. I'm using the Mini MUA Life's Drag palette, and I'm just gonna basically focus on these neutral shades right here, like these 4 shades. Next question is, do you have any pets? So yes, I do have a pet. I have a little Pomeranian. He is 6 years old, 6 years old. And his name is Prince. Yes, I'm very consistent with the bougie, royalty type names. He is a Pomeranian. I had him for a long time. I've had him since he was born, and he is very much so like me, very, very laid back, very, very he's if he doesn't want to interact with you, he doesn't want to interact with you, but he gets very excited when he sees people, new people, and I'm kind of the same way a little bit. And real quick, I am going to take the shade Trade, and I'm going to mix it with Mug, and I'm just going to dust it on my lid. I'm just going to throw on a little bit of mascara. This is the Mega Length by Wet n Wild, the purple one. I'm just lining my lips with a Jordana lip liner. And the next question is, what are some of your favorite beauty gurus? That's gonna be a hard question. Not really, but I would have to say one of my favorite beauty gurus, definitely Jackie Aina. I really, really like her. I love Nima Tang. She's a really, really good beauty guru that I really, really enjoy. I like Tati Westbrook. She's really, really good, really, really funny. Let's see, who else do I like? Lamani MUA. I like Nikita Dragon. I know technically Bretman's not a beauty guru, but I still find him pretty funny. He's really, really good. Let's see, I also like, another one, Miles J. I know Miles J really isn't a beauty guru. He's kind of on the comedian side of things, but he does some beauty related stuff. So I really, really love him. And that's just to name a few. I mean, there are many, many more. Wayne Goss, I really, really love Wayne Goss. He has some really, really good tips. Definitely check him out if you guys don't know who that is already. Okay, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about me. If you guys wanted me to do more of a just dedicated Q&A style video, definitely let me know down below what questions you would like to know and things like that. Also, don't forget to check out my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag video. Like I said, I'll leave it linked in the video. But yeah, guys, I have to go to work, but I will catch you guys later in another video.